Many people find that dental costs is a major issue. Dental bridges are an extremely popular option for replacing teeth that are missing. However, the price can differ depending on the location you seek the treatment. In this clip, we'll compare the costs of bridges for dental use in Turkey as well as Europe to determine which is the most affordable options for people in need of dental treatment. Turkey is now a sought-after tourist destination over the last few years, which includes dental treatments. Turkey offers top-quality dental treatment for a fraction of price of many European nations. It has resulted in the influx of foreign patients looking for affordable dental care in Turkey. However, Europe is known for the high quality of its dental treatment. However, that high-quality care often has an expensive price. European nations like Germany, France, and the UK are among the most expensive dental costs around the globe. Many patients have had to seek out more affordable alternatives outside of Europe, like Turkey. In the case of dental bridges in particular, they can cost a lot according to the type of material and the level of complexity involved in the procedure, as well as the area of the dental clinic. In Turkey, the cost of dental bridges could range from $300 up to $1,000 per tooth based on the kind of material employed, porcelain or metal, or a mixture with both. It is substantially less expensive than European countries in which the price of bridges for dental use can vary between $1,000 and $3,000 for each tooth. One of the primary reasons that dental care is more affordable in Turkey can be more affordable is due to the low cost of living and the labor. Turkish dental clinics have the ability to provide competitive rates, but without compromising the quality of their services. A lot of dentists located in Turkey are also equipped with the most recent technologies and methods in dentistry, which makes them an attractive option for patients from abroad. Another reason for the cost of dental care for patients in Turkey is the support of the Turkish government to medical tourism. It is the Turkish government has implemented strategies to draw foreign patients in through tax incentives as well as subsidy to medical facilities. This has helped make Turkey an attractive option to those who want low-cost dental treatment. Comparatively, European countries have higher cost of operating for dental clinics. These costs are transferred to patients via more expensive treatment costs. Living costs in European countries can be higher as well, which makes it more costly to run dental clinics. That's why a lot of patients in Europe are considering a trip to Turkey to receive affordable dental care. It is crucial to remember that the expense of treatment at the dentist is not the sole aspect to be considered when selecting the dental facility. Quality of treatment and the expertise of dentists should be considered. A lot of dental clinics located in Turkey are staffed by highly skilled and skilled dentists that provide exceptional care for their clients. Turkey provides a lower-cost alternative for dental bridges as in comparison to Europe. A lower cost of living and work, and the government's support to medical tourism have resulted in Turkey an attractive location for people looking to save money on dental treatment. People from Europe are considering a trip to Turkey to receive high-quality dental care for a fraction of the price.